Hello and welcome back to another tutorial from TechHiveHQ. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Android phone as an emulator. So it's a quick and easy process, and it's way faster than using the inbuilt emulator. It prevents your machine, if you have low RAM, just shift that process to your mobile phone. So you're going to go to your mobile phone and you're going to go to settings. So just open your settings. And then once you're on your settings, you're going to scroll down all the way to about phone. Then you're going to go to software information. Then if you don't have developer options turned on, you're going to click on this 7 times. Yes, then you're going to input your password. Then developer mode has been turned on. Then you're going to go back and you're going to see developer options here turned on. You're going to scroll, and then for USB debugging, you're going to turn this on. So allow USB debugging. So once you have clicked on allow USB debugging, given authorization, now you're going to connect your phone to your machine using a USB cable, and you're going to get a prompt. You see, allow USB debugging. I'm going to show you the fingerprint. Just if you don't want to always click it, you're just going to allow from this computer and click on allow. And so these other things you can just check, but basically once you have turned that on, you're good. So you're gonna come here. As you can see, it has now shown under my devices. It is the Samsung S10 or SMG780U. So when you click on run, so this is an example of a app I was making. If you click on run app, it's going to run, and basically if you click on run devices, you can mirror a device here. You click on the plus icon here, it's going to say connecting to the device, and now you don't even have to click on your phone. You can basically control this using your computer. So it's good. And now it's going to open the app. So basically it's just an app I was making. So there you go, you can run Android apps on your phone easily. Also, if you are using a laptop and you are using a wireless network, you can basically connect it through paired devices using Wi-Fi. It's easier, no cables involved. The process is just the same. For selecting running devices, it's just going to click on pair, and it's going to pair on a device that is on the same network. And that's it from TechHiveHQ. If you liked the tutorial and it helped you, like, subscribe, and share to someone who may be needing this. And also comment if you had any errors. That's it. See you and peace.
Perfect.